Question 14 has this curve. We're given the equation of the curve, y equals x squared minus 4x plus 5. We're actually told the minimum point already. We could work it out with calculus or by completing the square, or a variety of other techniques. But we're told already that it's 2, 1. So my scale's a bit out there. And we're told that 5, 10 is on the curve. Again, the scale's a bit out there. Now the line VP is a tangent at the minimum point. So that's V, that's P. V is 1, 2. And TP is perpendicular to that line. Now, if that's the minimum point, then the tangent is flat, therefore a perpendicular line to it will be vertical, and therefore that intersection point is 5, 2. I've borrowed the x coordinate from there because it's under it, and I've borrowed the y coordinate from there because it's the same height at it. Everything I did just there was warm up, getting used to the details of the question. Roman numeral part 1, write down the coordinates of P. I've already done that, 5, 2. Roman numeral part 2, find the coordinates of M, the midpoint of VP. There's a formula for that, it's this. Add up the x coordinates to give you what's before the comma. 1 plus 5, add up the y coordinates to give you what's after the comma. So that midpoint is 3, 2. It's Roman numeral part 3. Wait, I made a mistake there. 1 plus... Wait on.
Yeah, just scrub it. It don't come off. It just won't come off in the dishwasher. Yeah.
Sorry, that's 2, 1, not 1, 2. So that's 5, 1, sorry, that's 5, 1. So that's 2 plus 5, so that's 3.5. And that's 1 plus 1 over 2, which is 1. So there's the correct answer for that. Roman numeral part 3. What's the equation of the tangent to the curve there? Well, here's my template for the equation of a line. So fill in that blank, and that blank. That's the point that it goes through. It goes through 5, 10. So that's that. Now I need the clue for M. Let's use calculus. It's nice and ready for calculus. So here's a multiple choice box, 2x minus 4. Substitute the x coordinate of 5 into that, you get 6. And that is the equation of the line. Question number 4. Show that the equation to the curve at T, which I just found out, goes through the point M. What was the point M? Oh, was that midpoint there? And the midpoint was 3.5, 1. If you want to know whether a point is on a line, just substitute it in and hope that you get something true. 6 times 3.5, 6 times 3 is 18. 6 times half is 3. So that's true. Therefore, point is on line. And Roman numeral part 5. Use the results of part 4 to suggest a way of drawing a tangent to a point on a quadratic curve without using calculus. Well, it's exactly this method. You take the minimum point, drop down from where you want to stick the tangent on until you get level with the minimum, go halfway across, and then connect that and that. And that'll be your tangent. So that's Roman numeral part 6.